The ongoing corona pandemic has caused banks to undergo severe stress, and gross non-performing asset can rise up to 14.7% if the macroeconomic scenario worsens further, according to the RBI recently released financial stability report. However, in a base case situation, GNPA could rise up to 12.5% by March next year. The report mentioned that a prolonged period now the global economy is facing a sharp and broad-based contraction as COVID-19 is taking a toll on top of already sluggish and worsening macroeconomic condition. Steady and wide-ranging steps taken by central bank and government globally has restored a semblance of normalcy in financial market, but the recovery depends on a host of factors and especially on the intensity and duration of the pandemic and the discovery of a vaccine. Network analysis revealed that the total bilateral exposure among entities in the financial system declined marginally during the 2019 and 20, with the interbank market continuing to shrink and with better capitalization of public sector bank. There would be a reduction in contagion losses to the banking system under various scenarios in relation a year ago. On the domestic front, the short-term economic prospects appear severely disrupted by lockdown-induced factors to boost supply and demand-side imperatives, declining customer confidence and subsequent risk aversion. While financial sector stakeholders and the center of state and government have undertaken policy measures to ensure financial intermediation, functional normalcy and distress faced by disadvantaged section of society is mitigated, the downside risk of the short-term economic prospects are high. Policy measures have so far kept financial markets from freezing up and eased liquidity stress facing financial institutions and households. Consequently, borrowing costs have abated and illiquidity advantage have gone down. Nonetheless, risk aversion and lackluster demand have impeded the fuller flow of finance from both banks and non-banks into the economy. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das mentioned that the current global geopolitical tension over-leveraged non-financial sectors, significantly steep down level among government, business and household, and the ongoing losses of jobs and income have added to the growing uncertainty of the micro and microfinancial perspective. However, he was quick to point that the action undertaken by the financial sector regulators and the government in the past few months to dampen the impact of COVID-19 have reassuringly eased operational constraints and helped in maintaining market integrity and resilience in the face of severe risk aversion. Providing further impetus to a positive futuristic outlook, the report stated that the capital to risk weighted asset ratio of scheduled commercial bank edged down to 14.8% in March 2020 from 15% in September 2019, while the gross non-performing asset ratio declined to 8.5% from 9.3%, and the provision coverage ratio improved to 65.4% from 61.5% over this period. In India, Das said financial sector regulators have taken initiatives spanning monetary stimulus and regulatory relief to offset the impact of COVID-19 to a large extent. Significantly, regulatory action have been put in place to ease operational constraint due to the lockdown, as also for maintaining market integrity and resilience in the face of severe risk aversion by market participants, he added. Looking ahead, as the focus shifts from pandemic proofing large society to post-pandemic unwinding of stimulus and support package in a calibrated manner, the challenge would be established normalcy without disrupting market and the health of financial intermediaries. Despite bank and financial institutions looking at large, NPS ahead the Indian financial system remains stable, notwithstanding the significant downside risk to economic and lending prospect. The major challenge include pandemic proofing large section of society, especially those that tend to get excluded at formal financial intermediation. This might take time but will surely yield result in the long run.